Welcome to our audiobook channel. Best Books Club Summary Series, where we bring you detailed summaries of classic literary works. Today, we'll delve into Harper Lee's timeless masterpiece, To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird is set in the fictional town of Macomb, Alabama, during the 1930s. The story is narrated by Jean Louise Scout Finch, a young girl whose father, Atticus Finch, is a lawyer. The novel explores themes of racial injustice, moral growth, and the loss of innocence. The story begins with Scout, her brother Jem, and their friend Dill becoming fascinated with their reclusive neighbor, Boo Radley. They create myths and legends about Boo, who is rumored to be a terrifying figure. Meanwhile, their father, Atticus, takes on the defense of a black man, Tom Robinson, who is falsely accused of raping a white woman, Mayella Ewell. As the trial unfolds, the children witness the deep-seated racial prejudices of the town. Despite Atticus' compelling defense, Tom Robinson is found guilty, reflecting the systemic racism prevalent in the society. Scout and Jem also face personal challenges. They encounter hostility from their classmates due to their father's defense of Tom Robinson. Additionally, they face the wrath of Mayella Ewell's father, Bob Ewell, who seeks revenge on Atticus for humiliating him during the trial. The children's fascination with Boo Radley evolves as they come to understand the complexities of human nature. They eventually realize that Boo is a kind and gentle soul, and they develop empathy for him. The novel reaches its climax when Bob Ewell attacks Scout and Jem, but they are rescued by Boo Radley, who emerges from the shadows to protect them. This act of heroism humanizes Boo in the eyes of the children, leading to a poignant realization about the nature of courage and compassion. In the aftermath of these events, the children gain a deeper understanding of the world around them. They learn about empathy, integrity, and the importance of standing up for what is right, even in the face of adversity. As the story concludes, Scout reflects on the lessons she has learned, particularly about how the mockingbird symbolizes innocence and the importance of preserving it in a world filled with prejudice and injustice. And that concludes our detailed summary of Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird. Join us next time for another captivating literary journey. Thank you for listening. Make sure to comment, share, like and subscribe. The Audiobook Channel. Best Books Club for more book recommendations and summaries.